Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I'm featuring another quick and easy video using the Truly Tailored suite. And let me just show you the this is the punch, and you can see it here, and this is the stamp set. That they come in a bundle and you actually save 10% when you get them together. Now, one thing to note is that this one will be retired at the end of May, so after May you can only get the punch but not the stamp set. So if you really like it, order it right away, because I think this is great and it coordinates beautifully with the design series paper that comes in this suite. And I'm actually on my second paper. I am in love with this design series paper. I think that the colors are just perfect. Not just for men, but I mean the colors are just beautiful. So anyway, so for this I'm going to be using the Today Is Your Day Celebrating Style. Father's Day is around the corner, and I have already pre-punched 8 of these pieces. I think you have heard me said that in the last few videos, but I actually got a lot of the inspiration out of Pinterest, and this one did say who it was. I think it's Ellen Woodbridge, and so I love her card. So this one is crumb cake, and it's 5.5 by 8.5, and we're gonna be folding it in half as usual. Let me just do that. Then I have a piece of Tranquil Tide, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4, and we're gonna be pitting the design series paper. And like you can see, I have I actually cut 4 sheets of paper. You can tell that this one is the same as, oh my goodness, this one. Now you do have to look into the direction. Like I actually want this one to be this way and the lines that way, you can see. So if you care about that, make sure you go into, you do look how you're punching it. The glasses actually come on the sheet on all different directions, so I don't think that matters. But let me just put how I think I would like this to go, and then we'll go and put them together. How about that, huh? So we'll just put this one here. I want to put this one there, and I think we'll probably put this one like so. I want the glasses here, this one there, and then I have this one. I actually like this one probably here, this one here, and this one there. What do you think? I think this looks good, right? There's a good mix of colors all over the place. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be pitting your snail or fast fuse, whatever you have, and we're gonna put it like so, and then we're just gonna be lining them together. And like this one, I think I put too much adhesive. I just didn't know how far it would go. Then I'm gonna be putting it, and I'm trying to be kind of like the same, lining up these things like so. Okay, we're gonna be putting this one like so. This one will be here. Then let's put this one's here. Okay, and we're gonna be adding this one. And then So this one is more about gluing than anything else, right? So now that I have these, we're gonna just cut the pieces that are outside the triangle tight. Oh, and I think I actually cut a little bit from here. Just have to be careful about that. And then oh my goodness, I hate when I do this. There we go. So here it is. Now we're gonna be gluing these to our card base. And honestly, I think I could have added this more towards the center, like up, but I think it still looks great, don't you think? And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I have a scrap of paper, and you can tell it's a little bit more than, it's actually 3/4. It's not quite the 1.5, it's 3/4, and I'm going to be using my markers, and I'm going to be putting the celebrate, today is your day, and then half, oh my goodness, and then half with the, and I use the crumb cake marker, and then I'm using the Night of Navy marker. I'm going to breathe on it, and then I'm just going to stamp it. That way I can have 2 colors stamped at the same time. How about that, huh? I think it looks good. It looks good. So, as usual, I'm just gonna do a little flag on the ends. No surprises with me, right? And see, I need to clean here because I had some of the fast fuses still on the blade of my scissors, but that's all fine. Let me just cut a little bit here, and there we go. Yeah, there's a little bit of the gluey there. So now for this, I'm going to be using, I have here the last part of my dimensional, so let's just use those. That way I can, there we go. Like I said, always use the whole thing on your dimensionals, you know, and then we're gonna put it like so here. And there we go. Here is the next one. Like I said, that punch is awesome, and that paper is just beautiful. So anyway, so this is the whole suite. Now for as usual, let me let you know, I have an ordering special. Go to my blog at creatingwithali.com so you can get the hostess code, because I don't know which month you're going to be seeing these, but every month in 2018 I am sending a card kit in the mail for everyone placing an online order in my store using the hostess code of that month. And so you can go there. I'll put also the link to all the products that I use there, so you can easily get them. They're also going to be in the description on the YouTube video. And if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month. But anyway, when you place the order, the online order, the card kit includes 4 cards. Everything is cut, punched, anything, all the embellishments you need is going to be there, except for the stamping. You'll have to provide the stamping, because by policies I cannot send a stamp images. But other than that, you can mix and match. You can use whatever you have available. So let me know if you have any questions, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.